An asset. I am super excited. It is the holiday season and I have never felt better. Like I got to tell you that it was October 15th, 2018. So not too long ago that I fell upon the 30-day challenge. And I got so incredibly excited about it that I dedicated my time, focused my energy, and in less than 30 days, like I invested $100 and a couple hours a day. And in less than 30 days, I 10x'd my return on that investment, that initial $100. You can do this too. Like once you start earning it and learning it, it's great, right? But the problem is we go buy all this stuff like CDs, DVDs, books, and YouTube trainings and all this stuff. But if you don't have a mentor that actually helps you every single day, it doesn't mean anything. I've done it for years. I spent way too much money and way too much time and not having a proper training mentor. Well, I connected with the One Funnel Away Challenge, and the creators actually mentor you every single day. They give you a task every single day to accomplish. They give you the direction to do it, instructions how to do it, a great guidebook. They give you a community that you can all help each other out. And like when I got stuck, I threw it out to the community and they immediately responded and helped me like level up and be the next best thing. So it's like, it just kept getting better. Look, right now there's a waiting list to get on the next challenge. I really encourage you to be part of the next challenge. It's simple. I'm going to say one more thing. Just invest 2 more minutes. Click below, watch the next video. My mentor will explain the whole entire process in under 2 minutes. And if you're not completely convinced that this is the next step for you and the rockstar 2019 you've been dreaming of, no harm, no foul, man. Move on. No big deal. But I think you're going to want to join me in the next One Funnel Away 30-day challenge. And the only way to get there is to sign up below. So I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side.